Okay, guys, you should have just got finished with your Ed puzzle. Hopefully we got like a 5 out of 5. That would have been great. What you need to do now is you need to get out a blank piece of paper. Scrap paper doesn't matter. You're not taking a picture of it. Doesn't matter what it looks like. And you just need to number that paper from 1 to 15. We are going to do a little bit of map practice and map reading skills, just being able to read those different parts of the map and identify what's going on in the map by using the map key and so on. Once you get those numbered from 1 to 15, you can go ahead and start. We're going to do the first 3 together, and then you're going to do the rest of them on your own. Now, it says with a partner. I mean, if you're home and you can do that with a partner, then you know somebody else that's home working, and you guys want to FaceTime, I'm perfectly fine with that if you guys want to work together that way. The kids at school, I'm going to let them work together if they want to. Okay, so number 1, here's our first example. So if we're looking at this map on the right, the first question is just, what is the title of the map? The title is usually, on most cases, going to be up here at the top of the map, just like this one is. So you're going to write Europe, population density as the title. Sometimes I have seen titles down at the bottom, so you may have to look there at times. So number 1, just write in Europe population density. You don't need to write in the question. Sorry about that. The next one, number 2, same map. The question just asks, what does the black square mean on the map? So if it's asking you about what an object means on the map, these are symbols that the map is using. So you need to come over here to the map key and find the black square. And next to it, it's going to tell you what that means. So your answer on this one is that black square means more than 5 million people live in that city. So every time we see that black square, we know that those are the most populated cities in this region because they have the most people. They have more than 5 million people. In our last example, number 3, I want you to try this one on your own. I'm going to give you a minute before I get the answer just to see if you can figure it out. Okay, this one's a little bit harder. So what direction has the lowest amount of people? Just to kind of give you a hint, so you're looking at this whole thing, and you're going to use your compass rose for directions. And if you look, you have north, east, south, and west. And then it talks about where's the lowest amount of people located. What direction has that lowest amount of people? So you're going to need to look over here at your map key. And you're going to try to find what color shows the lowest amount of people in that specific area. And then look over here at the map and see if you can find where that color takes up the most room. Where is it the most dominant? Take a little tiny second, see if you can figure out which direction that's going to be. Write that on your paper and we'll see if you are correct. Okay, if you chose north, you would be right. So up here, that is where that lighter color is, and there's more of it here than anywhere else on the map. So north would be the answer. Now what you are going to do is you are going to go back into that module and those directions for this, and you are going to go through the rest of the slides, 4 through 15. And then at the very end, you're going to click a recording and I'm going to give you all the correct answers. And I want you to see what your score is. And remember, your goal is going to be a 75%. So that means there's going to be 12 other questions. So you want to get a 9 out of 12 on the rest of them. All right. Good luck. Do your best.